Let's talk about the NBN. To make sure that we're all on the same page, let's start with the basics. The NBN is the new revolutionary landline phone and internet network. It is owned by a government business entity called NBN Co Limited. Now, we all know that big changes can be pretty daunting, and we get a lot of phone calls and messages from people who just do not want it or don't understand what it means. The NBN is to replace the current infrastructure, which means if you are in an area where NBN is being installed and you don't want to lose having a home phone or your internet, you will need to embrace the National Broadband Network. Because once the NBN is switched on in your area, you will have approximately 18 months at most to switch over before the old services are, well, cut off. That does include your landline. Now, let's discuss the different types of NBN and how they differ to just the standard ADSL. For properties that will be getting the deluxe version, fibre to the premise, their type of NBN will consist of fibre infrastructure, whereas fibre to the node will use a combination of new and old. It will consist of fibre infrastructure to the node, and then from the node to the property, it will use the pre-existing copper lines. Now, hybrid coaxial fibre, aka HFC, is very similar to fibre to the node. However, instead of using the copper from the node to the property, it will use coaxial cabling instead. Fibre basement will have fibre connected to the building, and then the pre-existing copper will be used to the individual's unit or apartment. Fibre over Wi-Fi will have fibre infrastructure delivered to a tower that will then send the signal wirelessly up to approximately 14 kilometres, give or take. And that, my friends, is the basics of the NBN.